Writing is one of the issues that people generally tend to neglect. But believe me, handwriting is a very important part of your progress as a student. And it is very important to understand that good handwriting is one of the prerogatives to score good marks. Uh, Many people will tell you that no, it is not important. It is the quality of the language that you use, the effectiveness of the points that you are using. They are important. Yes, they are. But handwriting has a psychological effect, and that is very important. For example, I check as an examiner. I check 25 to 30 copies per day. So I have felt over the years that whenever there is a copy with the good handwriting, it brightens up my mood. So it is like playing with the psychology of the evaluator. And if you have a good handwriting, if your handwriting is good, then it is all the more easier to kind of explain the point, to make the points clear that you want to make. Because in certain cases, what happens, because of the time constraints, if the handwriting is bad, the evaluator will try to overlook the important points, or rather the middle points. So there is a possibility in certain cases where the evaluator will do that, and maybe the most important point is the point that he overlooks. The most important point that you have written, he finally overlooks because it is in horrible handwriting and he is not able to decipher it. And as a result of that, he is not able to understand it, and you lose precious marks. So that is why handwriting is important. Now, many people say that cursive writing is the best way. I do not believe that. You can write in whatever way you choose, but make sure that it is understandable, legible, and easy to move. And that is where it counts. And in between paragraphs, it is always prudent. In writing section, obviously you leave a line, but in literature section as well, it is prudent to leave a line so that it becomes clear. And after completing each question, it is better to leave 2-3 lines rather than drawing a line, because when you draw a line, you lose precious time and you don't have the liberty to do that. So please remember that practicing handwriting is very much important to make your handwriting better, and that is the only way in which you can progress. Thank you very much.